Alright, I'm working on the mystery frame here. This camouflage frame, and I pulled the bull moose off. I'm going to run these tick bars, which are what we call the Brando bars. And this is kind of a mystery stem. I forgot to look at what's on there, but it's the only one I had that was a 22 millimeter that fit in there nicely. And I like running this setup. I've run it before on a few different bikes, the same bar. It's ergonomic with your wrists. So I might push them forward a hair more to level them out. But that's just a thing, you know. You get older, you don't need to be bending over so far and having all that weight on your arms. Sorry if you can't hear me, the mic's in front of the camera. But what we're really going to talk about now is these things. See these things here? Check it out. I showed these on a video the other day. So it's a Gerber system. My hands are filthy. I've been working on bikes all day. So it's a quick release set, right? Where the quick release lever is an Allen head. And there's also a spoke adjuster on there. You'll see it in a minute. And then this here is a toolkit with a chain brake tool. And that's supposed to fit inside a seat post. These are brand new, still on the card. I've got 2 more sets of these. We're going to cut these off the card and then see if it fits inside this seat post I'm going to put on the bike here. You should get a kick out of this. All right. Now, I don't know, man. If it doesn't work on this bike, I'll use it on something else. I'm one of those weird guys too, right? Like if I find something on the card, I don't really want to use it typically. I just want to hoard it. So you can see right here, it's a spoke tensioner on either side of that. We'll see if this even fits on the bike. This must pull right out of here. Okay. Guess we're going to have to look at the instructions. Well, maybe it doesn't. That would make sense that it doesn't come out. So you basically have to pull this off the bike completely to use it. That would make sense. Look, there's even a wrench on here on this side. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is because the hole in the card doesn't tell you the size. But I'll figure that in a minute. It looks like it's about a 13 millimeter, if I had to guess. Here's a 13 millimeter. So, no, it's smaller than that. It's probably a 10. Yeah, that's a 10 millimeter right there. So that's very helpful. See if this fits on the bike. But first, I'm going to cut this off of here. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it looks like you got 2 rubbers here. Yeah. Okay, so we're probably going to have to try to use this smaller one. And as you tighten it, it squeezes it out. And there's a wrench right here. There's a bunch of little tools in this thing. Very, very cool, man. This does not detach, it doesn't look like. So where's the... Oh, it's right here. Look at that. This is your chain brake tool. You guys see that on camera, I hope? Look at that. And I'm guessing... Yep. So there you go. So you can break a chain with this. That's very cool. There you go. So you could hold it in place there. and break the chain. That is just super cool. And there's little wrenches on here. There's an 8mm. It says 8 and 9mm. So that's 8. I guess this is the other one here. That's 8mm right there. That's 9mm. So you can put these together to get some torque. This is a really cool setup. The only thing I don't think I see how this is going to work here. Let's try. Let's make sure these fit. No, no. Look, these washers are actually too large. That one fits in. Okay, maybe that's how it's supposed to work. I just lost the, hang on. All right, well that makes sense actually. Because you wouldn't want this to fall through the seat post, right? Yeah. Now, it says on the instructions you're supposed to grease this first, but that's how that works. Look at this. Look at this. You got to pinch that washer down with your thumb there, hold it in place. Oh, yeah. You ain't need to tighten it that much. Look at this. That still won't come out of there. There you go. There's a toolkit inside my seat post. How bitchin' is that? Let's put this on the bike and see how that works out here. Oopsie. Doing all this in real time. My fingers are greasy. It ain't from chicken. It might look like it from looking at my belly. I've been eating carbs the last couple days, and not my eggs, which I normally eat at lunchtime, and I am just feeling fat, man. All right. See if this even works. It should, right? Theoretically. Of course, I'll grease this with white lithium grease. Oh yeah, just like any other quick release seat post. That's gonna be super cool. All right, a little hidden toolkit right in there. I mean, wow. I'm kind of stoked about this. So really, really, really neat. So you've seen it here. I don't know if a lot of you guys probably have never seen that before. It's pretty old stuff. To me, the really neat thing about it was just the fact that it was made by Gerber. Get you up here so I can. Yeah. So I saw these on eBay. This is some time ago when I bought these, and I just thought it was neat because Gerber makes great knives, you know, and Gerber makes a really cool combat dagger. It was very well known in Vietnam, and it might have been what I was looking for when I stumbled upon these. But you can see the old address here in Portland with the phone number and everything on there. It says here on the front, a division of Fiskars Inc., which is also good quality stuff. So yeah, the Cool Tool by Gerber, vintage mountain bike stuff. And obviously this would be if I had a fatter seat post. So that's it. What do you think? Kind of neat, kind of cool. Short little video for you. Well, Vintage mountain bike tech. Coolio. Oh look, you can see me in the mirror.